Hello everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue, resetting your Kenmore Ultra Wash QuietGuard dishwasher. Dishwashers can sometimes act up. A reset can often solve minor glitches. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why you might need to reset your dishwasher. Common reasons include error codes, the dishwasher not starting, or the cycle getting stuck. Before you start, ensure the dishwasher is empty. Now, for the actual reset. The easiest method is the power cycle. Locate the circuit breaker for your dishwasher in your home's electrical panel. Turn the breaker off. Wait for about 1 to 5 minutes. This allows the dishwasher's internal components to fully discharge. Turn the breaker back on. This effectively restarts the dishwasher's system. Another method involves using the control panel buttons. Open the dishwasher door. Look for a combination of buttons to press. Common combinations are start/reset and heated dry. Press and hold the buttons simultaneously. Hold them for about 3 to 5 seconds. You should hear a beep or see a light flash. This indicates the reset is in progress. Wait for the dishwasher to complete its reset cycle. This might take a few minutes. If these methods don't work, consult your dishwasher's manual. It may have specific reset instructions for your model. Sometimes, a more serious issue is the cause of the problem. A professional technician might be needed. After resetting, test your dishwasher. Run a short cycle with no dishes inside. Observe if the dishwasher fills with water, runs through the cycle, and drains properly. This confirms the reset was successful. Remember to always prioritize safety. Turn off the power before working near electrical components. If you are uncomfortable with any of these steps, contact a qualified appliance repair technician. That's how you reset your Kenmore Ultra Wash QuietGuard dishwasher. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more helpful content. Consider leaving a comment if you have questions or if this method worked for you. It helps other viewers too. Also, check out our other videos for more appliance repair tips. We appreciate your support.